Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in today's video I'll do for you this coral warm tone summery matte look. Look what very nice warm color these are. My friends, it is an easy look for you, wearable for you, beginner friendly look. You can do it very easily, I have to say. One tone look. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow styler 11 medium brown. Then I have sculpted them up with my NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and I have set it up my lids with my Kylie Girl to Color powder cake. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friend, which is a very nice summery look for all of us and especially for you beginners, I will do for you a coral look. And I will use my Revolution Reloaded Provocative. This is the palette I'm going to use today. Starting from that nude base color, and I will apply that on all the lid and all the eye. It is a very nice light nude base as a base, although before I have used my powder. Applying that on the whole lid with circular motions back and forward. This will be a very warm summer undertone look, coral makeup for you. Continue with this another brown, medium tone brown color, which I'm going to apply in this on the whole lid of the eye, not only the crease, on the whole lid. Very beautiful, warm tone brown. Applying it on the whole color. This will be a light, soft glam look, coral look for you, my friend. And now, after these two colors, I'm going to do a few cut crease. I will use my Wet n Wild concealer brush, this, and I will take my NYX Bear With Me. As you see, I apply that a little on the brush, and starting from the inner part of the lid till the middle of the eye, and applying all the product just to have some cut crease to clear this area before I apply my shadow. I clean up with that. You can do a whole cut crease and on the other eye, but I prefer till that point, not very much cut crease on the eye. Starting always from the inner part of the lid. After that, I will take this type of brush, and I will take that nude base color, which is this, and I will apply on the cut crease to set up the cut crease before I apply the shadow I want. I'm starting to apply that nude color on the cut crease. It's a very nice look, my friend. And although you can apply your powder, and of course over that I will apply with my Cosmofan number 110 a flat brush. I will apply this, which is a very nice matte coral color, matte orange coral light color, I can say. And I will apply that color onto the clear area, the clean area. You can apply there also a shimmery shadow. The most times I do that, but on this look I wanted something more matte for you. Beautiful color. Very beautiful color. Beautiful matte coral color, my friend. Look how I have done this till the middle of the lid. I have done the cut crease. You only need a flat brush and your concealer. The concealer you use on the bottom eye area, not another. Taking, of course, the same brown color to apply some on the outer corner to connect the two colors together, just a little of that, and continue with my 7 Cool highlighter, and this is it. I'm taking, and from the 3 of them colors, which are beige, nude beige and coral, to apply on the underbrow area. Beautiful colors, very, very beautiful colors, I have to say. Just a few coffee while I work. Now going to do my other eye, my friend, off camera, and coming back. My lids, my eyes are ready, and now I'm going to wear my lashes. In this case, I will use this type of lashes, which are on the inner part shorter and on the outer part longer. I will wear them off camera, my friend, and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now moving on to the rest of the face. Continuing with my MUA Pro Based Oil Free Primer, a moisturizing primer for me that I have combo to dry skin. For you, the same if you have the same skin, but if you have an oily face, use a more mattifying primer. And of course, before I have begin my makeup, I have done the whole skincare that I do every day. Cream, serums, eye creams, SPF, and then I'm continuing with my makeup look. Foundation, L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hours Fresh Wear 220 Stable Sand. Taking my kabuki brush and applying the whole product, and then I always start to apply the foundation with a kabuki brush and continue with my wet beauty blender, of course. Then I will continue with my NYX Bear With Me concealer and that type of brush, applying some product on the inner part of the lid, on the outer corner, near the nose, some dots on the nose, 2 lines as a mini lift near the mouth, some product on the mustache area, and some, of course, on the chin area. And continue to apply with the wet beauty blender we always need. Don't apply concealer on the center of the bottom eye area because this will cause wrinkles to you. Only on the outer part of the eye and on the very inner part. And applying this as you see with your beauty blender. I apply the product first with the brush, but I don't want this because it will cause me harsh lines. So I continue to apply the product with my beauty blender, which is very soft for the eye. Continue. Bronze Skin Tan Effect Cream Liquid Bronzer on the cheekbones, on the forehead, on the nose, on the lips and on the chin area. And of course, taking this kabuki brush to apply the product, and then if you want, continue with always your wet beauty blender. You can do more work drops on your face with your beauty blender. It is a very easy way to apply very nice the liquid products on your face. As you see, I apply that with my kabuki brush, but I will continue to soft the product with my beauty blender. Then I will take my watermelon liquid cream blush. It is a little dark, this liquid blush, but I will apply on my wet beauty blender some drops, a few, not very much product, a little as you see, and apply onto the product and continue to apply that with the wet beauty blender. It seems a little dark, but as you see, with the good blending, it becomes very nice product. And a little on the nose. The beauty blender, I insist, helps you to apply nicely and beautifully the liquid products on your face. And of course, continue with our liquid highlighter, Monreef Stellar Liquid Highlighter 01. And this I will take it with my beauty blender, applying onto the cheeks directly, onto the nose, onto the temples, and some on the cupid bow. And of course, in this I will apply that with my beauty blender. It's very nice to apply this product. And now, trying to set up and continue with the rest of the product. Taking my loose powder, and I will take this, of course, to apply some powder to set up the whole eye area, the under eye area. I apply some to do a light bake under the eye, under the contouring we do, and between the eyes. I will leave it for some 2 minutes, 1 minute, the time I want to apply the powdery product. Continue. Bronze Perfection MUA bronzer, beautiful bronzer. Onto the same point we have applied the liquid product, onto the forehead, of course, onto, and this angled brush to apply some onto the nose, to sculpt a little our nose. Then what blush? My coral blush onto the cheeks. Coral with highlighter, beautiful. Over that I will apply in my Wet n Wild bronzer color icon Palm Beach Ready. This is a very nice shimmery bronzer, and I will apply to give some brilliant result, shimmery result, over the matte bronzer. Then I have to continue with my 7 Cool highlighter. These are my highlighters. And I will take that type of brush, taking it from the 3 of them onto the cheeks, onto the nose, between the brows, onto the cupid's bow, and on the temples. Of course, ending up with our under eye area, applying the shadow we have applied onto the lid, the brown, then I will take the light coral, and of course I will apply my highlighter into the inner lid, a few of that, just a few of that. And if you want, it's not necessary, but if you want, do it. Apply a liquid liner into the waterline. I have this very nice black into the waterline. Now, going to tap off the excess of the powder. Let's correct a little our brow. Applying some mascara on the bottom eye area. Just one coat, not much. Continuing with the lips. Color Icon Lip Liner Wet n Wild 712 nude color for the lips. And an orange color, Sabrina Rudnick 59, beautiful light orange color. Look what a very nice coral color this is, light color. And over that I will apply some topper Cyan Holiday Time Lip Gloss with hyaluronic acid. Look what you see. A very nice coral gold color as a topper. And of course, our makeup fixing spray by Revolution. So we have to make this makeup last during the whole day. My friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It is an easy look, a coral look, warm summer look for you. The most of you can do it, and easy and wearable, and it matches to almost all the skin tones. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!